Hello, hello, Mike. Excuse me. Good day, sir. Before I explain the codes to make this website, I want apologize for late upload of my activities. And before I explain again, and I will try to demonstrate if the website is working or not. So product added successfully. I don't. Last time, you know what? I'm not. And let's see if it works. And let's go to the codes. I don't know why it stays at because of auction. I think. Okay, but now I'm gonna explain the codes. So, of course, we have a database. I make my index.php short or kind of organized using include and go to the database or db.php. This script establish a connection between the website and the SQL database, enabling the execution of queries from the website to the server. And we have here a button here if you want to add product and update product that I just realized a while ago that I just don't need another page for update product, but I well then we have product page PHP that I didn't I tried to make at the same time where you check, sir. I have just don't have the codes or I don't know how to code it. You know, okay, okay. And we go to the I'm gonna explain now the add. So I have the here show SQL PHP for the show table PHP. The show SQL PHP is for to select or as the file name is it's show to go to the show table. So SQL they have the query select all columns from products order by product ID. So I put order by because I have oh yes right. I put order product ID because what you that? Wait sir. I add the order by because there's something I do when I debug the update. The product ID became 2 and even I reload it, it's still at number 2 like here. Instead the 1 this data it goes here and it switch their position for the column their column low and of course after that let's go to the code again index you go to the add form.php. This is where you add of course you have the form here. This is your code sir. So I just put something this action I think it action it replaces to the page. So I'm I'm wrong with that. I'm okay. And this I understand if iset is for to know if it's the this post is set or null. So if you set post the product name, it will execute this. If not, I don't have it don't have else something if reset is null. Then here the form data, it gets the data from the form and you have prepare SQL statement that it will insert what you input at the add form, then it can execute here. But before execute, it prepare the SQL first from the word prepare. Um, it query SQL query that prepares it for execution. Then if the statement has I think execute, I think all this has set or of data, it says product add successfully or sales here. Then what? We go to the table. So it shows the table now. Show table. So we have another here table. Then we have here table. So rows. It's from the show SQL. So the rows where it will. Wait, sir. So all the fetch. The variables on $sign rows contains the data fetch from the database query result. Then it reads over each row in the result set using a for each loop. Within the loop, it accesses specific columns of each row. Each row. It accesses specific column of each row. And we have a delete button. So this is in the action. So I'm gonna show you if this working. So okay. It not reload. I have something. Okay. And I add trigger. I think it's trigger in the PG admin. So wait, so I'm gonna show it to you. Where is I'm gonna use pure screen here. I'm making another one. So here, view, view data. So you can see here, it the same because I tried, this is not the same. I tried it a while ago if the function is work. So this is the delete product. So as you can say in our discussion, sir, if you delete, then you need delete products or like a recycle bin. So you still have the data. I want to add another delete, but I think it wastes my time. Then I can't. Yeah, Tagalog ko na sir. Matatagalan ako sir, then baka magkaloko-loko na naman yung ano, yung data or to kasi yeah. So I'm gonna show you also the database. So here it's the same. Now here's welcome. Oh, and let's go to the code. Now I'll show you the delete. It's working. Let's go now to the update. Here, Chrome. Uh, here. So the user need to insert the ID, get product details. I'm gonna show you my screen. So I just alt tab. Where is it? Update page. We have another page also. So we have a form here. The user will um I have script here. Just para I didn't say it all. I just realized I said we have form gonna ask first what the product ID wants to update and it will show the details. Then if there's a product ID, if it's set again, it shows another SQL. I think here, if it sets SQL, so it select. Then after selecting, it goes another here. So you see, check if the product is ID set, then it rendered the update form, as you can see here. Then we can now update. So I think I'm gonna change this to 4. Then of course the price. Let's go to the next lesson also. Submit. It reloads. Is it? Oh, okay. It's update. Then here's else. Update form is none. Then we have the SQL or the script. I include the PHP. I don't know why. I think there's no DB. It's there's but then you have request, of course. If it's post, goes here. It retrieves data and update. It prepare again the SQL, then execute. Then because of this, I have a script window location, so it reload itself. And I think it shows table and there's a confirm delete. So you can delete this also here. It's the same file. I think it's the same code but in another file. And that's all, sir. Thank you and sorry then for late submitting the activities.